Okay, we need gloves for this. 66.
Did you see anyone? Did you see anyone? Anyone see what happened?
Sit back down. Faggot. Fuck. You got him.
What? What did I just say to you? Go back to work.
Go first.
What you doing, man? Not in the face, nigga. Shut up, man. Shut up. I swear to God, I'll be fucking red, man. I'm gonna kill you my fucking self, man. You feel me?
Look, fuck you, man, alright?
What the fuck did you just say to me? You want me to fuck you up, faggot?
You get the fuck back! Where the fuck's Banks?
Yeah, he's upstairs.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Keep watch. Get rid of it!
1099 rec room. What the hell happened here? On your belly, arms by your side.
Look at this. Okay, we need gloves for this. 66.
Did you see anyone? Did you see anyone? Anyone see what happened?
Sit back down.
At least the message was about that. Don't ever do it again.